You know what? These savings challenges, not only are they fun, but if you use them the right way, they can be very prosperous. I love doing it to give shouts out to all of the channels. Look at all the channels that we get to celebrate. Mischief Managed Budgets, Sean, which is A to Z Budgets, Bunny, Hopping in a Budget with Bunny, Hey K Budgets, this is Tanya Nightlife. This is Mindy's Budgeting. Go to her coffee shop. This is Mum Wife. She's got some cute challenges. This is in my coffee shop. You know, I'm doing these to promote these channels too. So it's not just about saving money, but promoting the channels that make these challenges. They put a lot of effort into these challenges. This is the Almost Organized Owl. And when we buy, we're supporting each other when we buy from each other. And obviously, you know, we spend money for these. Some of them are freebies. Some of the money we spend for these, this is Sassy Beauty Budgets. But it's money going to someone who's going to save it. We spend money on businesses and who knows what they do with the money. When you spend money on folks' Etsy shops and coffee shop, you know, most cases, they're either using that money for bills, expenses, or they're saving it. They're doing something with the money. So I like supporting each other. So that's my goal, is that we support each other this year. You know, keep the money within the cash stuffing community. Welcome to my channel, Budget for Success. Woo! And today we've got good vibes only, good vibes only. Come on, baby, come on. We've got good vibes only. We only have good vibes. Yes, woo! Today is my favorite type of savings because we're going to work on our savings challenge. Savings challenge. Woo, 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 woo. So let's get started. Shoom! Oh yes, today is our savings challenge binder day. And I have some extra money. I hope to have some money left over for other savings challenges, but we'll see. So we're going to save $303. So our ATM gives out $100 bills and they're crispy. So I was like, okay, we're going to make change. We can make change in this here binder. Yes. So I can have crispy bills. I think I can make change anyway. So let's move our good vibes over and let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is the bunny hop game. The bunny hop game. We gonna do the bunny hop game. We rolling 2 dice. We be rolling. So a 4. So that's $4. Oh, we're going to tally this up is what we're going to do. So we got $4 plus, let's see, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus 1 plus, let's do this, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's plus 7. We got to big money last time. We're trying to get Bunny to Mr. Rabbit. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So plus 6. We're at $18. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's only $1. We could do that. Bam. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus $7. All right, we're at $26. Come on, Bunny, pick it up. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You pick. We're going to pick $1. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 5. So we're at $32. Plus 8. Woo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo. Which was $9. So we're at $41. And 6, we finally brought it home. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So $41. Oh my goodness, Bunny. Yes, we used to play. Actually, I would have been really frustrated. We used to play with $40, and if it would have got me 41, I would have been so upset. Yes, I would have been so upset. So 41 plus 102, 3, 4 plus 104 equals 145. All right, so let's put, for now, let's put 150, but we will come back and get some more change later. Okay, so here's 150. I have made a mental note that I need to get $5 back. We'll figure that out later when we make change. I have some other challenges that we will make change, like this one. This is Save with Judy Dominoes. Okay, so we have this little pack of dominoes. We are knocking them out. I like this game, Judy. I'm gonna have to come back and play it again when I finish. Okay, I think I wanted to pull, I think, now that I'm looking, I'm like, maybe I didn't want to pull this many. I wanted to pull 3, but this was not the vision though. My goodness, did I pull every single large tile or what? So 6 and 4 is 10. All right, so we have 9 and 6, which is 15, plus 10 is $25 in dominoes. Okay, so this is how much money we have in dominoes. So we needed to add $25 dollars in dominoes. 25. So we don't have 25. We're gonna come back. We are going to come back. So let's come back to dominoes. Here's one that I know I have change on. Let's do that one. So this is time to travel. This is for our cruise. We have a cruise already booked in 2026. So I'm very excited. We had so much fun on the last cruise. So I'm excited to get to this one. And so I think I'm only going to save $10 today though. Because, yeah, we have $90 and I need this change. So we're going to put a $100 bill in here and call it $100. This saves a total of $220. And this is from my girl, Hey K Budgets. Yes, is my ladybug challenge. So with the ladybug, I've been doing this 2 and 3 times. So now we're crossing ladybugs off. So we're putting $10 in. So I have 90, so it'll be 100. So now we have $100 in with the ladybug. Okay. So let's roll the dice and see what we get. This is for Sean, A to Z Budgets. We're rolling the dice. We rolled a 6. And one more time. And we rolled a 5. So that's 11. So we have 11 plus we have 11 plus 15 is 26. 11 plus 15 is 26. So we can do 25, and I do have a 1 here. So we got $26. So this is so cute. This is from Sean's Roll and Save. It's just beautiful butterflies. Okay, I was going to do this beauty here. So I was going to save $34. So this is a barn owl. This is from Ren. Can't even see it. It's so little. Look at this cute barn owl from Ren. I don't know. Is my camera going to straighten up? There we go. There's the barn owl. Focus. Can you see it so far away? Anyway, we got a lot of money saved for this challenge. We got 1,100, 200, 20, 40, 62, 64, 65. Whew, $1,165, but we're adding $34 right here. So let's see, if we add 20 32, 33, 34 to what we have already in here. Look at, we do have a 20, so 20, 40, 50. We can put this back. Told y'all I'm gonna get change somehow. So now we have 1,000, 100, 250, 70, 90. All right, let's do this. Let's do this for real. Because I don't even think I did this right before. Oh, that gives me $12.99. That's what I'm supposed to have, $12.99. Ha, ha. I made this more complicated than it was. Look, y'all, I had already done the math. It should be $12.99. Ooh, anyway, we're trying to get to $2,024, so we got a long way to go. All right, now we have change. Let's play, let's roll some dice again. This is from Tanya. I am powerful and fearless. So I rolled a 2. And let's roll again. And a 6, which is $8. All right, Tanya, what do you have in here already? So we rolled an 8 plus 10, 15, 17, 18. So 18 plus 8 is $26. So we can put this back. And grab 20. So $25, $26. All right, so now we have Hank. Hanky Poo. This is Mindy's dog, Hank, and this is a freebie on her Ko-fi shop, so go check it out. So I rolled a 6. And I rolled a 5. So that's $11. So we are adding, let's do 10 and 1. Let's add the money and then go 10, 20, 25, 30. Okay, so we can put this back and now we have 2 5s, which is what we need. And so now we can put a 20. Oops. So $20, $31. Look at Hank. Isn't Hank cute? Yes, Hank is cute. Hanky Poo. All right, so that's $31 for Hank. Go check out Mindy's Coffee Shop and get the freebie for Hank. All right, now we can go back to hopping in the budget with Bunny. Put this $50 back. And grab $45. Because that's how much should be in hopping in the budget with Bunny. Found different ways to save money. Do we have, what am I supposed to add for Domino's again? $139. So I now have it 100, 10, 20, 30, 5, 37, 39. It's there. $139. Okay, I think I can get change from here. This is my savings challenge that's going straight to Paris. Yes, do not pass go. It's going straight to Paris. So let's just finish it. So we got 5, 9, and 19. Okay, this saves a total of $50. So we are putting $50 in here and taking all this back. So we got 50, 20, 25, and 6, 8. Okay, this is what we have left to work with. So we have $50. We can ring the bell. Ooh, this is going to Paris. I wrote Paris on there. So those are my completed challenges. Oh, by the way, stop before you go any further. This is the Almost Organized Owl scratch off from the Almost Organized Owl. It is so cute. Okay. Now this is Mum Life. Mum Wife Budget Life. So let's do 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So that's adding 10, so it'll be $30. I'll put the 10 back and keep the 20. So $30 into Mum Wife. And this is my savings challenge, which I think is beautiful. I turned it into a scratch off and laminated it, but you can download this from my coffee shop. I think it's just cute. Cute, cute, cute. Let's stop here. So we would have $5, $7. So 5, 10, 12, well, 12, 14, $16 here. So we're going to stop at 7. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. And then this gem right here, I am rolling the D12 because I've been aggressive, because this is for like vacation. Be aggressive, be aggressive. Woo! And we rolled an 11. Okay, and then we have $2 for $6 left. So let's see. Will this work? Yep, $11. This is from Erin's Sassy Beauty Budgets. This may be free. So we're adding 11, and so therefore we now have let's see, I have $6 left. This is another one I was working on. So I only have 5 or 8. So that's not going to work. So anyway, we got 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, $52. Okay? $52. So let's see, where are we going to put the $6? Let's see what you got, Tanya. Tanya, let's see. What we got? 2. So we can put $2 here. And let's roll one more time with Sean. Her challenge. Okay, so we got 25, 27, $28 for being I am powerful and fearless. Okay, here's Sean. Oh, wow. Probably should have rolled. Try to get Sean's finish. Oh, and we got 5, y'all. I got 5 on it. So $5. I need to get $1 from my stash. That's why I have it, just in case. I knew I was taking a chance rolling, but I knew I had some stash in there. So let's see, 25, 27, 29, 30, $1. So I'll finish this next time. We are almost done with the beautiful butterfly challenge, and I wanted to have money left over, and I do. So we have $100 left over for another savings challenge, so we're gonna come back and do that. So we'll come back. That will be another time. Another savings, another time. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I love you guys. I appreciate you visiting with me. And if you like this video and you want more videos, please like, comment, and subscribe to Budget for Success. Bye for now. Love you guys.